we have the Scrub Daddy 9-piece set. If you want what I call the best set, this is it right here. We've sold 3.1 million sets just on QVC. However, this is the first day at a clearance price. So normally it's $36 for the whole set. Right now, $24, and basically $8 a month for 3 monthly payments. And Christopher Joyce, who is our cleaning guru, is here to tell us all about it. And the best part about this is you get so much for so little. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Good to be here.
Walk us through what we get.
Yeah, I'm going to walk you through this really quickly. So Aaron Krause revolutionized the kitchen sponge with the Scrub Mommy and the Scrub Daddy. So that's where we're starting. But then he said, you know what? There has to be a better way to do this dish wand. The problem with this, it's not self-standing. It leaks, it smells, this scratches. All the things that he solved with the sponge, now he has solved with the dish wand. So let's walk through this, because it's not just a better dish wand.
No.
It is.
It is
but it's
a
more.
better dish wand. But
so you get the dish wand. We only have the ivory left. I may use a couple other colors here because we had some other colors and I don't have enough of the ivory to use. But then this plate here interchanges, allows you to put a scrub brush on, allows you to use the Scrub Daddy heads, which by the way are the same flex texture material as the Scrub Daddy. This is a Scour Daddy because sometimes you have to scrub, sometimes you have to scour. And for the first time ever, you're going to be able to take your Scrub Mommies or Scrub Daddies, you're getting a Scrub Mommy with this kit, and place it on the end of the dish wand. So then you can get that extra leverage, and it's going to dispense the soap as well for you.
It's the best thing. We use it. It sits right on our kitchen counter, right at the sink.
It sits just like this.
We use it every single day. I love the brushes, honestly. I use those to clean off the dishes, the dinner dishes after dinner before I put them in the dishwasher or whatever.
Exactly.
But we're going to show you, there is no better sponge out there,
really is
than
not.
Scrub Daddy, Scrub Mommy, Scrub whatever.
And now with the dish wand, it just makes it easier to use in some ways, and also you're getting leverage. So this is a gravy browning and mustard ketchup and cheese that Cameron burned on here for me. It's a real mess. But here's the deal. I put the flex texture just in a bit of cold water. That firms it up, so it's ready to do the heavy-duty scrubbing. So what was not coming off, and by the way, for now, I just have water in here. Look at that. I can just press it, and the water continues to come through. And you can see that Scrub Daddy, that flex texture material, is working its way through that burned-on mess. It couldn't be any easier. And here's the cool thing. You are never scratching that surface, but it's squeaky clean.
Especially if you have glass stovetops.
Exactly.
Gotta have it.
So now I'm going to take, actually what I'm going to do, this is the one I used. I'm going to take this one off, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change out the head. So it's has like a hook and loop on the back. I'm going to put the Scour Daddy head, because sometimes you have to scrub, sometimes you have to scour, and then we have this neat little scraper on here. Watch this. It's going to scrape off some of the big bits, but then even more important, the Scour Daddy head, just like the Scrub Daddy head, put it in some cold water, add a little more water. It's going to work through that burned on mustard and ketchup and cheese. And if you notice, I'm keeping my hand away from the mess. I'm getting the extra leverage, and there you go, and your job is done.
And the best part is, with that dish wand, you can put soap in it, or you can just put water in it,
or read my mind.
Whatever you want. You can put GP66 in there if you want to. You can put whatever you want.
So what I love, Aaron made sure this doesn't leak. These always leaked.
I know. I never liked those things. They stink.
So what you do, there's a little window. They stink, exactly. That little window, I'm going to move out because there's a blue shirt there. I'm just going to show you, look how it's filling that up. And then you see when it's full, because you have that little window, your job is done. He even thought of details like this. Look at this. Look at the cute little bottom. Has the Scrub Daddy. All right. And what I love about this, I really want to show you this little area on top. When you push that, see that it just gives you a measured amount of dish soap. So I'm going to turn this on, and now you're able to do your dishes, no problem at all, keeping your hands away from the mess. I've cleaned this. I didn't scratch this nonstick coated pan. Watch this. I'm able to keep my hand away from that blade. And clean, no problem at all. And then what I really like too, he really has thought of everything. Unlike this guy that you can't really clean, this one you can, because remember, the beautiful thing about the Scrub Daddy products is that indeed they rinse clean. So look at this. All the mess that's on there is gone. And then what's even more important, when you have this huge mess here, look at this. As the soap kind of works its way down, I'm gonna make a real mess here. Look at how it actually drains. You put a little gutter system here.
Yeah.
So it's draining back into the sink rather than, I made that mess, by the way. There we go.
But
It's
it
draining
doesn't-
into the sink rather than
Yes.
draining all over your countertop.
It's so brilliant.
Yeah.
And you get all these different pieces that interchange so simply. And then you also get the brush head, and you can even put this one on and use it with all of your scrub daddies and scrub mommies.
So what I love about the brush head, and you've talked about this, you really like
Yeah,
it because sometimes you just
do.
need a good brush. Well, again, it interchanges, no problem. So now you can get into those detailed areas,
Yeah.
into this colander, no problem at all. Or how about this? How about a whisk? Now you
Oh,
finally have a way
yes.
to really get in there with the brushes. But if you use the heads, which are interchangeable, unlike your typical dish one, watch this. I'm going to put this on this beautiful piece of hardwood. It is scratching that surface.
Oh
It is
my
absolutely
gosh.
ruined.
Yeah.
But this head, whether it's the scrub daddy head or the scour daddy head, it's never going to scratch that surface.
No.
But yet, it's going to take care of just a little bit of cold water.
Yeah.
It's going to work its way through all the messes that are on your countertops, on your pans, on your pots, on the soap scum in the bathroom. Done.
If you've never had this set, today is the first day at a clearance price, and we've taken it from $36 down to $24. So you're saving $12 by getting this set right now. And the best part about this is even if you're like me and you have this set, if you want more, like you want more of the heads to use, and here's, remember when I said this one stinks?
Yes.
Because it
This
really
doesn't.
does. And these don't stink. That's one of the things I absolutely love about my scrub daddies and scrub mommies.
I agree.
I'll tell you, this is an amazing value to get all of those 500 sets already gone.
Thank you.
Stay on the line for that. For $8 a month, you will love that set. And the wand alone is such a great piece. I love that thing. Mark's always filling it up and we're using it. Christopher, thank you.